Hey people, how are you all doing? I'm glad to be back, but I'm not really all that well yet. I was pretty sick for the last 2 days. Yes, getting old is never a privilege. All right. So anyway, thanks to many of you who actually prayed for my recovery and wish me good luck. So I really it means a lot to me. Thanks all the people. Thanks to all the people. All right. So my scent of the night, early morning actually is this one. Ralph Lauren Safari. I haven't talked about it quite yet, but I will sometimes. All right, it's pretty woody, masculine, leather-based scent. Okay, from the back in the 90s. So today we're not going to talk about that. I want to talk about pretty quickly this fragrance from House of Givenchy. It's very iconic. The bottle is. I just wanted it for the bottle. I'll tell you about good things and bad things about this. This is pie. As you can see from the writing and everything, which is not usual. This is a tester bottle. All right, so the fragrance is legit, and I'll tell you who's it for and everything. So first of all, the when actually I have it on the paper also. First of all, the thing is when you buy a tester, usually you don't get a box or cap, but this one doesn't come with a cap, but it does come with a box. So the box is pretty much like looks like the original pipe, but the thing is you can see there's not much information provided, just a typical box, but at least you can transport it around. So never mind the box. The bottle is actually the reason. This is the bottle, 100 ml. This is the reason I wanted this fragrance. I didn't care for the smell, but I did try out the smell and I kind of liked it, but then it grew on me, and it's more of an acquired taste. It's not, I would say, everybody's cup of tea, that sort of a fragrance. This one also comes in 50 ml, and this is the 100 ml. So if you buy from retail, I think it will be around 40 to 50 US dollars at this point, or maybe more, $75 I think if you buy retail. If you buy from online for 100 ml, you pay around 45 to $50. That sort of price range. And the smaller one, I think you will pay like $35. I'm not sure. So better to go with the big bottle. So as you can see from the bottle, it's a stunning bottle. You just look at it and you can appreciate it. It's one of those bottles that it just caught my eye. It looks like I don't know, reminds me of Egypt, pharaohs, like pharaohs, and the king, the mummies and stuff. I don't know. And at the bottom is sort of like a pyramid shaped. It's like a triangular shaped. And at the back, this stuff, this part reminds you of burnt sugar, which is actually is in the note, sort of like a brown sugar. And it says Givenchy here on the top and in front as well. So the thing is, this is plastic up top, and this is also plastic, and it's supposed to be a stopper, which when you pull back, when you pull it at the back, then you can spray, but actually it doesn't really stop the sprayer. So I suggest you just what do you call, just carry the box and then travel. When you travel, that is one thing. And juice color is pretty much like sort of like boozy and brownish sort of amber color. It says Givenchy Paris, and then eau de toilette, and then all this information. It says the magnetic, tangerine, pine. They mention all the ingredients here. Okay, and it does have like here at the bottom, it does have the batch code and all the information provided. I think it's lasered. Okay, so it's 6N01. So it's more of the newer formulation. So this was out, I think, in the long time ago. I forgot the exact year, to be honest. And the perfumer for this was Alberto Morillas. So I was just always seeing the reviews, and when I started off my journey, I always seeing this bottle in popping up in every reviewers like line up once in a while, and I was like pretty intrigued. And I was like thinking, just for the bottle I should get it, but then I didn't for some reason. This smells very, very sweet, first of all. So let me tell you, it's for both sexes. I mean, if you are male or female, you guys can both look into this. It's pretty unisex in my opinion. It's very sweet, which is what, and also vanilla based, okay, which is loved by ladies. Ladies would love to wear this. They would love to smell this on their men. Um, the prominent notes to this, I think, when you let me show you the sprayer, by the way. Sorry, the sprayer is all right. Shoots like small bursts, all right, like not the best sprayer, but it does its job. So sprayer is all right. So when I smell it, what do I get? It's pretty, it starts off pretty strong, and for I think it would be perfect for colder days and colder nights. This is not a very hot weather scent. Vanilla based, it's not. Vanillas usually, I think people would love to wear them when it gets a little bit cold, evening, that time. And it's pretty much like a uniform scent. It doesn't have so much transformation. So only transformation it takes is it opens up a little bit strong, that brown sugar that I mentioned, and a little bit boozy to my nose. I don't know why. Or that licorice. There is a licorice note in this. So if you know Lolita Lempica, I don't know if I talked about it or not yet. I have to check. If you know Lolita Lempica, this one has a licorice note, which is same in this. So I believe this would be a better wearing for winter time. So as I was saying, that this got reformulated. This one came out. The pi symbol used to be much bigger, and the center here, it got smaller over the time. Okay, so that's the one way you can tell, and you can check out the batch code. So many people are saying this got reformulated and the projection and power got really sacrificed. So I cannot adjust. I mean, like how to say? Like cannot say confirm to that because I haven't smelled the original one that many times. I just smelled it once, long time ago, like long time ago from someone's collection. But the thing is, fact you need to know, even in the hot summer days, you know, nighttime when it's a little bit breezy and raining, I get pretty good performance from it. I don't know, it's just me or what. I get like this smell stays on me for at least 4 hours and a half, okay, with a good, like good solid projection. So I'm not sure if I can like agree to the fact that this is a very weak fragrance still. It's pretty damn strong fragrance still, but it's not headache inducing or very loud like Lolita Lempica is pretty loud. Okay, if you spray too much of it, you might get a headache. This fragrance reminds me of that Lolita Lempica, that licorice note. Then what it really reminds me of, the sort of sweet vanilla based scents. I would say similar to this would be maybe not exactly same, but same class would be Makkah blend, the Makan blend. If you like that, if you like this one, sorry, I'm bringing from my collection, Jaipur. This one is pretty good, and even at some point, I would say, just my opinion is Lamal. So all of them, they have the note of vanilla. Okay, so this is more like a sweet, more sweeter. It's not just vanilla; it's more sweet. Tonka bean is really amped up in it. So if you like your fragrances sweet, you can look into this. Age for it, I think, is a little bit more mature side. It's mature crowd for some reason. Even it's a simple fragrance. Starts with the boozy licorice and then aggressive opening, but it settles down like sort of this uniform vanilla scent all the way. Maybe there are some other floral notes to it. I'm not sure. So Alberto Morillas is known for his fresh fragrances. So you get somehow trace that sweetness of florals somewhere as well. But people who are a little bit like 25 and up, I think for them this scent would be perfect. Don't try this in the hotter weather. I think you may not like it because in the cold weather it complements it very nicely. In the cold weather where your skin is cold, everything's cold around, and you're looking for something cozy and sweet, this one will cut the cold weather very nicely. Occasion for this, I can think of very nice dinner, night outs, clubbing. Maybe it's too classy for clubbing. Maybe for nice steak dinner, okay, or just a nice walk by the, you know, like the moon is full moon and a winter chilly night. This would be good. A little bit boozy, and if you are like, where else I can say this? Office purpose, you can wear it. Ladies, I would recommend ladies can wear this. It's very nice, sort of a ladylike scent, you know, like not Desperate Housewives that kind, no, but very nice characteristics. You know, like if you have nice strong personality, I think it will complement your personality nicely. It's very up class as well. I don't feel it cheap or very childish. As I told you, it's a mature crowd's fragrance. Longevity, as I told you, 4.5 hours I get. So from the summer, if I get that, I have to test it in the winter and I'll update you with the performance. So far I really like the smell. So my personal 2 cents, I love the smell. And the thing is, at first when I sprayed it, I'm like, what is the smell, you know, like never mind, let's just get it for the bottle. Then I'm like, no, let's just wait. So I took it in the paper and I smelled it. I really love the dry down much more than the opening. So it's pretty elegant vanilla based scent. And then it has that little bit of licorice and then tonka bean. Major players are those, nothing much mind blowing. And if you love sweet fragrances, this is for you. Okay, very nice unisex sort of scent. So for overall longevity, I think for winter it will be like 7.5, still pretty solid. It's not one of the beast mode, but it does hang around for a long time. Projection for the 2-3 hours, pretty good projection from the smell. Very nice, 8.5. I love the smell of it. It's not, nowadays so many fragrances out, I cannot say this is a very unique fragrance anymore, but given that this is created for like a long time ago, it's still pretty damn nice and it's not dated. Very romantic. I think it's a very romantic scent. It's a very romantic, I think close encounters would be really, really good. You'd love to sniff this on your partner. Yeah, yeah, it's pretty romantic, lovely sort of scent. So for the smell, yeah, let's just give it 9. I love the smell so much. Uniqueness nowadays is not that unique anymore, I would say. So it's like, okay, in the middle of the road. Mature crowd, winter time. And overall remark, I'll give this like 8 out of 10. Even the reformulated version. Okay, why? Because this looks damn good in your collection. Let's just admit that. Just check this out once again. Don't you want this in your collection? This is collection worthy, but the thing is, it's most important thing is in the juice. So the thing is, it's not must buy. It's a love it or hate it, believe it or not, and it's not for everyone. Give it a try. You may like it. See the dry down of it. If you like it, go ahead and buy this for the colder weather. This will be great. So overall remark, yes, I'll give this, let's say 9. Yeah, 9. 9 is good. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this review on this Givenchy Spy. Eagerly waiting for winter to come so I can wear this and rock this a lot. All right, take care guys, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.